We'll guide you through how to add music to an Instagram post. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Music on an Instagram post can go and set the vibe and the tone you're trying to make. For example, maybe it's a summer post, it's a happy post, it's a sad post. This song and music can go and help represent that. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and add it to your post. So this is much easier you probably think, but we'll guide you through it step by step. So make sure there's full guides, you're going to know what to do. So of course, to do this, we are going to start by creating a post on Instagram. So you can do this on the profile page or the home page, and you can go and press the plus in the top. Then you'll get the create pop-up and you can go down and choose post. Now what you can do here is go and choose a photo, select multiple if you want by pressing select and selecting them, or you can just do this with one. Then you can press next in the top right. At the top, you may go and get some suggested audio. I'm usually not a fan of that. To do this with your own choice, what you can do is go and press audio in the bottom left. Then what you can do here is go and start browsing. So we've got for you, trending, original audio and saved. I like to go and search if there's one in mind, but you can go and browse through as well. So I like to go and use Drake, so I'll go and search for that. Then I could scroll through here and find a Drake song I want to use. You can select it and go and hear how it's going to sound. Then you can go and press the arrow over in the bottom right and it'll be added. You can actually customize the part it uses though, so you can tap it again in the bottom left and you can then drag along to go and choose a segment. If you go and press where it says 90, you can go and choose the duration. You may only want to have 20 seconds, let's say, like that. Then you can press done, like so, add other things, and when you're ready, press next. Once again, you can go and then get ready to post it and press share. Wait for it to post. When you tap on it, you'll then go and see the song at the top there. Leave a like if you found this useful.